Today we're going to do a 7-minute lymphatic workout. This is for all levels. It's going to be great for your circulation and get that lymphatic system working better. So you'll do arm swings. And you're going to go down. And when you come back up, go up on your toes. Go up on the toes. All right, so we're going to begin. So you're going to do the arm swings. Do about 4. And just go down and go up on your toes. Remove those waste and toxins and the excess fluid, maintain balance and health. So did good, so just march it out just a little bit. Next one, you're going to go toe, hand to the opposite foot. Here we go. Okay, step side to side. Next, we're going to do like a skier. Through this one. All right, did good. Step out a little bit. The next one, we're going to go up, touch into your legs. Go. Try to raise your hands up as high as you can. This is also really good if you are dealing with high levels of cortisol. It's a nice gentle circulation. It's going to let your body heal. Instead of doing a strenuous HIIT style workout, you might want to think about doing something like this instead. Deep breathing also helps. All right, we got that one. Let's step it out a little bit. So now we're going to go raise up. Go. Get you some water. You're dealing with a lot of inflammation and pain. Doing lymphatic style exercises is probably going to help you. Everyone's body's a little different. You have to find what helps you the most. So just listen to your body. Really get that stretched out, get that circulation going. It's going to help your lymphatic system. It's definitely going to help you stretch out in your arms, your back, your neck. A little kick. Now, if you don't want to, you don't have to jump. So you do this. You can just go side to side and open. If you can, we'll hop, kick, kick. If you can't hop, just do the side to side. Open your hands. Otherwise, kick it and hop. Just like a little jump rope. Now I'm just going to hit step side to side. Now we're going to do a little bit of a stretch. Back leg straight. Forward on this knee, don't go over your toe. Just hold it right there. Now we're going to switch. Leg back here straight. Hands over this knee, don't go over your toes. If you're balanced enough, stretch that leg to get you something to hold on to. Your knees should be in line with your leg. And bring your heel to your backside. All right, we're going to switch. This leg should be in line with this leg. Try to put your heel to back in right here. Now we're going to stretch your back. Use your fingers. Arch your shoulders over just like this. And try to bring your arms up as far as you can. Stretch the biceps back. All right, good job. Start your day, or this might have been to end your day. Hope it helps you out. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.